Hello everyone, we are at video number 11 and we are going to be talking about charts in this video. So if you can see from my spreadsheet that I've got going on right now, I just finished my tables discussion. Now we're moving on to charts. And so I wanted to talk about the different options of charts that we have. You know, if you guys remember back to math class, there's an awful lot of different types of charts. And so then today I wanted to make a chart of the calcium in milligrams uh, that we see on average within different subsets of our data set. So I want to go ahead and I want to search. It looks like I've already pre-selected these two columns. And so I could make a chart that shows all the different types and where people are getting them from, but that's a lot more complicated. Today I just want to just compare all of our subsets, a little bit more simple chart. So I'm going to go up to Insert, and I am going to go over to, I always like to start with the recommended charts button over here, and I'll tell you why. It's looking at the different types of data. It's saying, okay, the data entries, are they categorical? Are they nominal? Are they numerical? And then it's making a call based off of the comparison that you're drawing between the different cells that you've chosen, and then recommends a type of chart. So let's see what it's saying that we might be able to do. So, okay, this is why I really like this. If I can go up to this tab and I can hit all charts and choose any different type that I want to represent this data, it's brought my recommended charts down to 3, which makes it a lot easier for me. I'm going to tell you why I'm not going to go with a pie chart, because a pie chart is actually looking at a comparison of a whole to a part, and we're not doing that in this case. We're looking at comparisons of totals within different subgroups. So I'm going to either choose this clustered bar or this clustered column. Let's go ahead and go with the clustered column. It's the the classic bar graph that you're used to. And when I hit insert, it just, excuse me, just brings that right into my spreadsheet, and I can just set it next to all the data that I have. I just want to show you that you can actually edit different aspects of this as well. So we can, perform a sort function within our graph. We can talk about the different chart elements that we want to add in there. So just go ahead and take a look. We can also modify the look of it as well. So go ahead and take a look at the different elements that you can play around with within these chart features, and there you go.